The Philippines is responsible for only 0.55% of global emissions, yet its coastal communities are bearing the brunt of climate-related destruction. This video outlines how these frontline communities are disproportionately paying the price. Our thesis is clear. The Philippines is a frontline archipelago. Despite its minimal contribution to global emissions, its population faces immense exposure and direct damage, and recent legal rulings now offer new pathways for accountability. Why is the burden so disproportionate? It comes down to a geographic trap within a typhoon corridor, deteriorating ocean chemistry that weakens natural defenses, and the high exposure of millions of people living in climate-sensitive coastal systems. Marine stress indicators between 2015 and 2024 show a clear pattern: rising ocean temperatures, increased acidification, and declining aragonite saturation. These signals underscore that climate harm is both measurable and escalating. Ocean heating leads to tangible local damage. Physical pathways include sea level rise and more intense storms, which result in real-world consequences like damaged infrastructure, saltwater intrusion, and the repeated economic burden of disaster recovery. The legal landscape is shifting. Recent advisory opinions from ATLOS and the ICJ suggest that greenhouse gas emissions can be treated as marine pollution, providing stronger legal grounds to argue for responsibility and potential reparations. We can leverage technology to strengthen our case. AI models help attribute extreme events to emissions, while blockchain provides the immutable evidence and transparent triggers needed for faster, more reliable climate relief. Our agenda is fourfold: build a standardized evidence file, utilize established legal channels, prioritize funding for natural defenses, and deploy trust infrastructure to improve transparency and speed. The main takeaway is clear. While the Philippines contributes very little to the global climate problem, its communities face extreme, measurable, and escalating harm. The following sections provide the technical data and supporting evidence to substantiate the claims made in this brief. This table compares global emissions across major countries with Philippine marine benchmarks, providing the necessary data for our comparative analysis. Finally, we examine local impact data in a flood balance sheet scenario to frame the specific risks to coastal areas. Please note that these figures should be validated before formal use.